Hello and welcome to a video on finding an unknown side length using the sine rule. So the sine rule is given as A over sine A is equal to B over sine B, which is equal to C over sine C. So in previous videos, which I hope you've watched, we worked with right angled triangles. In this video, we're just working with this dodgy drawn triangle here. There are no better drawings than my previous ones, I'm afraid. So it's important to point out, do not be fooled by my drawings. I cannot draw to save my life. So I'm pretty sure that most of my triangles will not look like what the math presents. So this side length is given as 9. This is A. That will be 62 degrees. This will be 54 degrees. And so what we'll do first is we'll label the angles. So I'm going to call this A, B, and C. And then we have A here. So we'll call this B, and then we'll call C is equal to 9. So we know C in that we have an angle and we have a side length as denoted by a C. So we need to find the side length for A. So what we have, we'll just write out that sine rule again, the part that we'll be using. So A over sine A is equal to C over sine C. So let's plug those numbers in. What we first need to do, however, is to multiply both sides by sine A. So we will have A is equal to C sine A over sine C, so we can plug these numbers in now. 9 sine 62 degrees over sine 54 degrees. Now if you plug that into a calculator, remember you have to have it set on degrees. It's very easy to confuse degrees with radians, depends on what you're working on. That will give us 9.822 and so on. So let's say 9.8, which is one decimal place, but also two significant figures because these angles are given to two significant figures, so we'll work with that. So that's a little bit of an overview of the sine rule then. So A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. What you would do is you'll just denote each angle with A, B or C, and then the opposite length to that angle would be just in lowercase, and then you've got something to work with. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe. Again, if you have any questions, throw them in the comments section and I'll do my best to answer them and help you out. And I shall see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.